Welcome back, viewers and subscribers. Big Super there in the vicinity of Lyson. We're there in the vicinity of Lyson Beach, people. You remember the urgent, people? You remember the urgent? 3+ years gone and the urgent is still here. 3+ years gone and the urgent, see the urgent, the people. The urgent still there with us. So my viewers and sub, I pass the Princess Margaret. I pass the Princess Margaret Hospital. And I go to the community and I head to Dumfries this morning. And this morning I go look upon a section of the road where no pave yet. So I just update you guys on some of the unfinished paving. So my last vlog me give you up a retreat. Let me show you a section where I want to complete. So I'm going to show you a next section in a Dumfries, at the community of Dumfries, we need to complete. So stick and stay, viewers. Big Super is on the road, giving you update about the paving work we're taking place out in eastern St. Thomas. So my viewers and sub, Big Super there on the North River Bridge. Yeah, only can update me. Only can update me, my viewers and subscribers. I think that's what they call this bridge here. The North River Bridge. So we're there in the community basically at Dumfries, and we are looking for a section, an unpaved section where them supposed to soon start, but we just update on 2 sections where with the paving were incomplete, and this is the second section of the road when it comes to the paving. So some vehicle park up over there, so people. So this is the second section of the road. When it comes to the paving, this section here is incomplete, my viewers and sub. But as me I tell you, I'm not going to bash them because them get most of the paving on this leg here complete. Them get, yeah man, bless up everything.
All the time I see up and down. Who is Big Super? What I worked up this morning.
Alright, you have anything you want to say about the road or the road that come on? Them for me case?
Yeah, man, it's a long time. Come on.
Okay. Now come class, come talk to you. Yeah man, so I talk to one of my subscribers. He say all the while he might hear about me, but he just get the opportunity to talk with me. So what you have to tell the world now?
The world?
Yeah.
Well, I have to tell the world, say why everybody for us be good,
yeah,
and the good will follow you.
Yeah.
So I say stop the violence and crime,
yeah,
and make everybody live happy.
And what you have to tell them about St. Thomas in general?
Well, St. Thomas is a very good place, you know.
Yeah.
And if they finish the road and thing, everybody can live at St. Thomas happy, and we have more tourists coming out here. They go around the Bard Fort and all them places there.
Yeah.
Go enjoy themselves, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Alright, blessings here.
Yeah man, big
we just look on one of the section of the road where incomplete that section, so we just a feature it.
Yeah.
Alright, one look here.
Yes,
and I see some of the machine them park up over there, so. So
yeah,
me know so yes, so soon complete.
Yeah man, you have to soon complete.
Alright.
Yeah.
So the viewers and sub, me there up on the road and me I look for one of the section them were incomplete, and Big Super, I tell you, say it's not a long stretch. Remember my feature license Wednesday gone, and today a Friday. So So me just a look on this stretch of road here. Yeah, me just a look at this stretch of road here. And me a look on some of the look on the paving, because the paving really a feature. Today at the 12th, Friday the 12th. Yeah man. May 2023. So we just a look at this section of the road here. This section here we're incomplete. And as you hear the man say, hurry up and done it. Everybody wants smooth sailing. But me know a thing go, you have to touch here, touch there, and nobody not too ball because about 90% of the paving on this leg here and the eastern St. Thomas leg is complete. But we just have to take a minute and show you guys the ball field what we have on this section here. So, my viewers and sub, as you can see, them have a beautiful ball field around here where them play, them league. You see the ball field, I said pretty, it look nice man. And this a part of we think out here in St. Thomas. So my viewers, we're back on the road again and we just show you the second section. When it comes to the paving, we just show you the second section. We're incomplete. It is, yeah. Oh, wait there, bless up yourself, well, everything good?
Yeah man, we love our road. Yeah.
You love how the road are going?
Yeah, we love where I'm going.
Hold on a minute, stand up, the door move, let me talk to you. Because this leg here are the second leg, one of the second leg were incomplete. So we just feature it, we not bash it because majority of it are come on good.
Yeah man, we have to give respect, because about 2 years ago, man, a roller coaster.
Yeah.
So we have to give the people them respect.
All
Things
right.
are going.
All right.
And people are feel good.
Alright, blessings.
Up and running.
Alright. Some of you and so this me just talk to a famous face in St. Thomas. And him say things are going and him feel good. So we just look on the second leg, we're incomplete, my viewers and subscribers. And this leg here need to complete. I guess them a put them things together to get that section of the paving out of the way. It's about, I want to say it's about how long it would be. Can't see the bridge down there, so the bridge still in sight. Maybe it's less than quarter mile. Maybe it's less than quarter mile in length. Somebody can update me. Can never stop at the end, at the completion, and make you guys see it. But it's just a little piece of stretch. Come up to where this section of the road climb up the hill. The incomplete section, and I know the people them at St. Thomas on the eastern side of St. Thomas, them happy because most of the paving where did I cast it, dust, nuisance, most of it, a good 90% of it out of the way. So you see right in front of the tire place right here, right in front of Max's people, you can see right out of this section here, incomplete, and we are asking the authorities to hurry up and finish it up. But we love where we're not going and we're not bash, we just, you hear the gentleman say a while ago, a smooth sailing, and we are come to the section now where it stop, or the new piece start. So my viewers and subscribers, I hope you enjoy that little short video here to make you guys can definitely see the section of leaf complete. Big super is on it and we just are showing it and thing, make you guys see it. And from here right back to Maranville, this section of the road where the paving concern, because the paving we have featured this morning. So where the paving concern, my viewers and subscribers, this leg of the road right here going back up is complete. Back from here to the bridge is incomplete. So my viewers and sub, I hope you guys enjoyed a little walk here when we met this morning to show you from the Nuts River Bridge, Dumfries, almost to the direction of Black Door. So remember to like people, remember to share my videos them, remember to subscribe to my channel. Also You can also donate to keep me little walking going. You can also donate by a link by a pen pal. I mean, you can go down in the description and we have a phone number if you want Western Union me. No problem. But the way you can do, my fans, to keep the walk going. For now, Big Super out in the community, Dumfries, out in the community at Dumfries, saying to you guys, have a wonderful Friday. Peace out.